Uh, Childhood. So many things happened to us at that time. So many things that we can't control, so many things that we don't have awareness of or a way to process or understand. And what we are left with as we grow and as we get a little more conscious and aware of the world around us, and perhaps we're even raising our own children, some things become a little bit more clear. And maybe that clarity now has come to you that there's some childhood inner anger. And that inner anger needs to be released in order for us to have a clear way forward, a more relaxed and calm way of nurturing the present moment. And this meditation in the school of Kundalini Yoga and meditation is a really good way to do that. It's simple, using mudra and a breathing technique, and just about 3 minutes. So an easy access point, especially if you're a beginner, or if you've been here before and you're ready to start moving into clearing up the past, this is the meditation. Let's begin now. Sit up tall and straight. Find a way to align your spine, whether that's sitting on the ground or sitting on the floor or sitting in a chair or a couch like I am right now. Find a tall, straight spine. Gently close your eyes and give yourself permission to be here completely. Call on your awareness. Call on that inner knowingness that guided you to this meditation. And know that you're in the perfect place, taking the perfect action. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Sit up tall and straight. Close your eyes, focus in between the eyebrows and slightly above. And we begin by tuning in with a mantra. Om, Namo, Gurudev Namo. I bow to the sacred teacher within, in the language of Gurmukhi. Inhale very deeply. Exhale. Inhale very deeply. Exhale. Inhale, and let's tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply. Hold your body steady and still. And exhale. Awesome. Let's begin with the mudra. And the mudra is to bring down your pinky fingers and your ring fingers, close that down by using your thumb. And then extend your arms all the way out to the sides. Your fingers point outwards to the two walls on either side of you, and your palms face forward towards the screen in front of you. Gently close your eyes, and we begin a breathing practice, and that is to inhale through your teeth like a sucking motion. Close the mouth and exhale nose. Eyes are closed. Inhale mouth. Exhale nose. Let's continue now. 3 minutes. 30 seconds. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale very deeply. Squeeze all your muscles. Squeeze, tense, hold. Exhale. And one more time, take a deep inhale. Squeeze all your muscles. Tense, tense, tense. And exhale. Take a moment now. Let the energy rise. Let your thoughts drift. And let your body respond. Sensation is key. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. We're closing off our practice now with a mantra. We chant a long sat, short nam, 3 times. Sa nam. Sa nam. Sa nam. Ground yourself, bring your forehead and your palms to the ground, or touch your fingertips to your forehead, bowing in reverence to these ancient teachings designed specifically to carry our consciousness, releasing inner childhood anger. Powerful practice. If you found that you struggled to keep your arms up, that's okay. Take little breaks and then come back to it. Sit up against a wall next time. If you struggled with the breath, that's okay. You're just learning. This is all about understanding who you are and how you are and adapting for that. Make your way through 40 days and just notice the immense amount of change that can happen in such a short amount of time. Lots of love to you. If you're looking for more information, check the links below. And as always, if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, share. Let this teaching go far and wide to help many others. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Thank you so much for joining. Bye for now.